away, we got a sick bike check.
Yeah. So this is the Trek Marlin5. It's a pretty great beginner mountain bike. And so yeah, let's just get into the video. Alright. So cameraman, come up here. Alright, so first we have some Bontrager palm grips right here, which are nice for when you're climbing. Then we got some Trek handlebars right here, followed by some Shimano gear shifting rear and front. And then we have some hydraulic disc brakes right here, made by Shimano. All right, and then as we go lower into the bike, we have some, we have the XCE shocks right here, front shocks. And then we have some, I run 29 Bontrager wheels and Bontrager rims. All right, so then Bridger is going to talk back in the bike. All right, so in the rear part of this bike, we also got some 29ers, Bontrager and rims. And up here, we have Shimano front rear shifting, Shimano pedal arms and pedals. The cassette is also Shimano, and the chain is chain. So yeah, this is pretty much just a Shimano drivetrain. And then this is a Cannondale chainstay pad. And then up here, we have a Bontrager saddle, a Bontrager clamp, and a Bontrager tube. So yeah, Jackson, come back in. We hope you guys like this video, and be sure to watch our other videos on bikes. See you then.